In the abandoned warehouse, Jake uncovers a secret that could change everything. The prototype drone gleams, waiting for him. Jake spends countless hours repairing the prototype, driven by determination to prove himself. His skills improve at an astonishing rate. Jake's heart races as he competes against skilled racers with their weaponized drones. He must win to unravel the secrets. During a fierce aerial battle, Jake's drone suffers a critical hit from an unknown assailant. His chances seem slim. Lucia Vega, the enigmatic racing legend, swoops in like a guardian angel. She offers her expertise to help Jake get back in the race. Jake's newfound confidence and Lucia's strategic advice give him the upper hand. He dominates the race, regaining his chance to expose the conspiracy. Jake uses the prototype's advanced capabilities to gather undeniable evidence of the conspiracy. The truth is unveiled, shocking the world. Jake and Lucia bask in their triumph, forming an unbreakable bond. Together, they vow to bring justice to the world of drone racing.